नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। प्रोग्राम नेम B.Ed 4th Sem। कोर्स नेम क्रिएटिंग एन इंक्लूसिव स्कूल। यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome to all. Today I will be discussion session blind children. Blind children in inclusive education. What are the meaning of blind children, strategy of blind children, and how can help a child with visual impairment in the classroom. Discussion about all things. Vision impairment and blindness. आँखों की खराबी वाले बालक को एक शिक्षक कैसे शिक्षा देगा और उनके एजुकेशन का अरेंजमेंट किन रणनीतियों के साथ उसको आगे बढ़ाया जाए. There is no typical vision impaired students. The impairment may be the result of a range of conditions and its impact will depend on the type, extent and timing of vision loss. The impact of the impairment on learning will be vary significantly according to the nature and extent of vision loss. Some students will have been born without vision, be light sensitive or have limited peripheral vision. It is also possible that vision and light sensitivity will fluctuate day to day. Some student may rely on a guide dog or white cane to assist mobility, while others have significant residual vision to get around independently. Students may require adjustment and assistive devices to facilitate access to education. An adjustment may be as simple as a seat near the front of the class. But most students use assistive technology such as a closed circuit TV screen, magnification of screen reading software to enable them to read and access the internet. Impact of vision impaired of blindness. The learning process of students with vision impairment may be affected in the following. Which one? Students with vision impairment may access information in variety of ways. For example, braille, lippy, audio tape or enlarged print. They are help to blind impairment children. Students who need information put into alternative formats must wait often up to 6 to 8 weeks for the material to be produced for them. Students with vision impairment may feel isolated in the learning environment, which can have impact on learning. Headache often results from eye strain. This may reduce considerably the study time avoidable to these students. Participations and interaction in tutorial may be limited. Teaching strategy. What are the teaching strategy of vision impairment children. Prepare as much information as possible in electronic format. This makes it much easier to provide materials in a accessible formats and allows users with disabilities to adapt the information to a format which is suitable for them. Next, to make required book list and course materials available easily so there is sufficient time for them to be reproduced in audio or braille if required. Indicate compulsorily text in your reading list, nothing important chapters of if possible. Next, for students with vision impairment, your teaching style need to be behavioral. हमेशा कोई भी डिसेबल बालक होता है उसके साथ हर टीचर को मेंटली जुड़ना होता है, उसको समझना होता है, उसको रिस्पेक्ट देना होता है और उसकी हर प्रॉब्लम को सुनते हुए स्ट्रेटजी बनानी होती है ताकि उसको हेल्दी लर्निंग करवाया जा सके. Verbalize what is written on blackboard and on PowerPoint charts or graphics used. Academic activities which take place off campus such as industry visit, interventions or intervals or field works. Provide an individual orientation to laboratory equipment or computer in order to minimize the anxiety likely in an unfamiliar environment. Consider supplementary laboratory practicals, experiments or field trial, for example by audio taping commentaries. Audio taping commentaries are very important for their learning. Inform the students if you plan to use videos, slides or PowerPoints and discuss alternative ways of presenting the necessary information. A student may have difficulty finding his/her essay or assignment in a reasonable of amongst a pile of other work. Tactics graphics are useful of vision impaired children in inclusive education. The user is print impaired but has some textual ability. A concept not easily described in words. A real object is unable for touching. The shape, form, the pattern is significant. It is necessary to illustrate scale and explain maps, technology or biological relationship. A one-time reference or reminder is needed. The education experience can be enhanced. So, vision impairment and blindness are very important for inclusive education. समावेशी शिक्षा में एक सामान्य शिक्षा के साथ कैसे ब्लाइंड इम्पेयरमेंट, विज़न इम्पेयरमेंट जो बालक है, जो जन्म से हो जाते हैं, कई किसी चोट लगने से हो जाते हैं, बाद में धीरे धीरे किसी की आई साइड वैसे कमज़ोर हो जाती है, रेटिना में जब कोई इफ़ेक्ट आ जाता है तो उनको कम विजिबल हो जाता है. तो इन सब बालकों को क्लासरूम में एक टीचर मैनेज करते हुए, उनके एजुकेशन का अरेंजमेंट करते हुए उनको आगे ग्रो करता है, आगे बढ़ाता है और उनकी जो पोटेंशलिटीज़ है, उनकी जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं, जो उनका एस फैक्टर और जी फैक्टर जो उनको जन्म से मिला हुआ, एस फैक्टर में भी कोई उनकी स्पेसिफिक क्वालिटी, म्यूज़िक हुई या कोई उनका ड्राइंग हुआ या कुछ उनका बिना विज़न के जो एक उनमें क्वालिटी होती है उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए टीचर को समावेशी शिक्षा के साथ विज़न इम्पेयरमेंट ब्लाइंडलेस चिल्ड्रन को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. The session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and also say, hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.